Hello wonderful people. Welcome back to Homeboss Lady channel where we're about to embark on a delicious journey together. Today, I've got something truly special for you, a recipe that combines the irresistible taste of blueberry muffins with the refreshing goodness of a smoothie. Yes, you heard that right, it's our blueberry muffin smoothie. Here's the best part, not only does it taste like a treat straight from the bakery, but it's also packed with all the good stuff your body needs to thrive. So make sure you watch this 1-minute video until the end and comment below if you love to try this delicious recipe.